be loud, just so you're aware. All right. It's holding both of us. Yeah, I think we're all right. Yeah, it's pretty stable. Yeah. That'd be great. Sweet. Right up in here. Oh, my man. It's all about looks here, brother. So we've got our hole cut, and I'll come back to work on the door here in a little bit. But for now, what we're going to do is go ahead and get a chicken ladder set up, essentially. So what I've done is I've cut this at a 30-degree angle, and I opened the door as far as I can get it to go and made sure that it was going to clear. The reason I cut that at an angle is so that way I could get a little more secure of a board on there, and I could put a couple more screws in it, and it still wouldn't obstruct with how far the door would open. I'm gonna put this piece on. I've got another piece here, and I'm gonna have a little bit of a gap, and then I'm gonna put this on just like that to make sure it's not gonna get in the way of the door. I've not tested that yet, but I will once I get this on, because it's too many pieces for me to try and hold. I'm not gonna lie. Secure. So before I tack that on, I'm gonna kind of open this door. That's how it's supposed to sit, about like that. Let's see how that's gonna work. You're probably gonna block your view here. Nope, we won't hit. We'll be good. Okay. If I were to do something like that, that may be too low. But it'll give me a good idea of where I can put it. Maybe about right there. That's a little better. Figure out exactly where I'm going. What? Yeah. Away we go. Alright, people-inos, people pop, anyway.
Purple people eaters?
Yes. Hello, purple people eaters. My name is AJ Willis. You may remember me from Huntsville. Anyway, no. So we got our bars here that's gonna keep it from coming out. Not that you can hear me over my son. Alright, so this is a really heavy door. So it's going to have to be a really buff anything that's going to move that thing.
Hey, hold on.
So this is going to, these bars and this one's going to keep it from coming out. This bar is going to keep it from coming out when it's lifted. And these bars are going to keep it from going side to side too awful much. But we got plenty of wiggle room, so she's going to go up and down easily. Well, that's all we were able to accomplish today. But if you want to see how this chicken coop turns out, then be sure and like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you next week.